Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. Okay, so this is the question number 39 from section B. That means this is an MSQ type question. That is, more than one options can be correct in these given four options. So let's see what is in this question. So we need to find the element which on which BF3 reacts readily, or with which BF3 reacts readily. So the right answers are BF3 reacts readily with C5H5N and C5H5N SnCl2. Okay, therefore option A and option D are the correct answers. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.